still can. Don't even try to understand them. Just find ways to make your stand. Take it easy. Well, I'm standing on a corner in Winslow, Arizona. Such a fine sight to see. There's a girl, my lord, in a short bit voice, falling down to have a look at me. Come on, baby, don't say baby. I gotta know if your sweet love is gonna save me. We did lose, and we may win, but we will never meet here again. So better mind climbing in. Take it easy. Here we go. Well, I'm running down the road trying to loosen my load. Got a world of trouble on my mind. Been looking for a lover who won't blow my cover. She's so hard to find. Take it easy. Take it easy. Don't let the sound of them rodeos make you crazy. Come on, baby, don't say baby. I gotta know if your sweet love is gonna save me. Here we go now. Ooh, ooh, we gotta take it easy. Come on and take it easy. How we doing out there at the Junction Tavern tonight? Take care of your bartenders. My name's Tim Litvin. Got the Nature Boys here. Thanks our good friend Dave for having us on out here at the Junction Tavern. Sunday Fun Day.